Now, what are the tips for being better negotiators? The first tip is bathroom breaks or feed them. Suppose one inspection committee visits your business company, and if the inspection goes on very well, your company will receive certification, for example ISO or something. Okay, so feeding the team members is a way by which you make them happy. If they are happy, they will have better communication with you, better conversation with you, and there are more chances that they will give you better grade. They will certify you with higher rank, with higher grades. Okay, so feed them, give them breaks. Plan to catch. So if there is some hurry, people do the job earlier. So try to create a sense of hurry. Okay, so if you know there is a committee and that committee has to leave your office at a particular time, so that sense of hurry will make them complete the task earlier. So they will not go into depths, they will have surface checking and then they will complete the task. Or suppose you are selling a product, and if you tell your customers that this offer is valid only for today, only for 24 hours, then the sense of hurry will make them buy the product. Third tip is posing questions and cooling people. So, whenever you are in a business deal or whenever you are in a business meeting, pose questions, ask questions. So, those questions will give you information, will help you get complete information, and that is a good tip for better negotiation. And cool people, if the conversation becomes heated conversation, if somebody gets angry, then there are chances that you may lose your negotiation, you may lose your business deal. So cool people. CCP, you must remember this: CCP: character, confidence and power. You must have good character, you must have very impressive, powerful, effective character, you must have complete confidence within you, and you must have power to take decisions. Have trustworthy nature, high character, high confidence level, your nature that is empowered to make decisions. So, together, high character, high confidence level, and you being empowered to make decision, this creates a sense of trustworthy nature. So, this trustworthy nature, it helps for better negotiation. Some more tips. Know your own BATNA. BATNA is best alternative to negotiated agreement. For example, at a marketplace in your day-to-day life, you are purchasing apples and the seller says the rate is 100 rupees per kg, and you want to buy apples for 80 rupees per kg. So you give him offer of 80 rupees, but he says no, 80 rupees is not affordable. He may say 90 rupees per kg. Okay, and finally you say I can pay only 85 rupees per kg. So that is your best alternative to negotiated agreement. So if the deal is done 85 rupees per kg, that is the best deal. Okay, then my agenda and their agenda. What is your agenda? What do you want to achieve in your negotiation? And what is the agenda of other party? That also you should keep in mind. What is other party's BATNA? Other party's best alternative to negotiated agreement. So you want that, for example, when you are purchasing apples, you don't want to pay 1 rupee high or you don't want to rupee 1 rupee low. So you want to pay the right price. So for that, you need to understand the BATNA, best alternative to negotiated agreement of the other party also. Understand the difference between battles and wars. War is a larger concept. War consists of several battles. So if you lose a battle, doesn't matter. But finally, you should win war. So for that, sometimes if you lose a deal, doesn't matter much, because to have success in some more important deals is more important for you. So don't think that I have to win every deal. Sometimes in losing a deal even there is win for you. Some more tips. Be positive. Don't shout. Avoid high velocity words. Avoid temperature rise. Avoid anger. Watch language. Watch body language. And get the clues. Minimize role of intermediates, agents, brokers, attorneys. So if you have intermediates, you will have to pay the intermediates. So that will add to your cost. So for that, it is better to have direct communication and to have direct conversation and direct deal. Okay. The mindset. How should be your mindset? Better mindset for negotiation skills. Negotiations are conversations. So don't worry, don't take too much of tension of negotiation. They are plain conversations. Agreement should be durable. It should last for a longer period. Like and trust each other. Have win-win solution. Don't just think of your expectations. Think of the other party's views also. And try to create win-win situation. Never bluff. Never give wrong information. Never try to cheat others. Never give fake information. So this is the mindset that is required. So in conclusion, we may say, don't negotiate. If you want to be a better negotiator, try to avoid negotiation, try to minimize negotiation. So the lesser you negotiate, that is better for you. So don't negotiate and be firm on your views. Don't negotiate with yourself. You have your own ideas and views. You be firm on your views. Don't negotiate with yourself. Never accept the first offer. Other party may make the first offer. Never accept the first offer. You can present your viewpoints and never accept the first offer. Never make the first offer. If you make the first offer, the other party may take advantage of it. So never make the first offer. Listen more and talk less. If you listen more, you understand the other party very well, and by that you become very good effective communicator and effective negotiator. So friends, I wish all the best to you. So finally, in conclusion, we may say there are no free gifts. Avoid regret. Avoid quick deal. If you do a negotiation very hastily, you may have to regret later. So don't do quick deals. Never disclose your bottom line. And finally, negotiation is just like a marriage. In marriage, you have to have adjustments, you have to cooperate each other, and then only the marriage will be successful. If husband and wife, if you stretch the relationship, it may break. Relationships are having the quality of elasticity. So it is like elastic. If you stretch at two sides, it may break. So negotiation also is just like that. If you keep stretching it, you will not be having better deals. So have cooperation, have win-win conversations, and be a good negotiator. Thank you friends. Thank you very much. And I suggest some books for you for further reading. Getting to Yes and Getting Past No. So if you refer these books, you can become a very effective negotiator. Thank you very much.